Hey guys, this is Lily and welcome. Hey, it's been a while since I haven't made a YouTube, but I'm so thankful and grateful that you're here. Thank you for joining me. I'm up Mangere Mountain at the moment, and that is Mangere Mountain in English. Mangere means lazy. So this mountain of Mangere Mountain, I named it Mangere, means lazy. Of course, it looks like a sleeping person, the shape of the mountain itself. So I think that's very, very unique, the name giving it so special. So Mangere, for those people that live in Mangere, it is doesn't mean that the people living there are lazy, but it's the actual mountain itself, how beautiful it is, and how very, very blessed we are to be living in a beautiful place like Mangere. Now if you just look behind me, and you can see Mangere Bridge, and that's the Mangere Bridge just there, but it's beautiful, isn't it? So yeah, I like to just show a bit more. So just to finish work, I've got a couple of hours to spare, so I'm up here spending this time just taking in everything to see how beautiful our country is that we live in. So I'm thankful and grateful to be living in a beautiful country, Auckland, New Zealand, and just having some time off, working a couple of hours this morning, and I thought I'd just come and catch this beautiful day, because apparently we're going to have a big storm coming up. It's coming in on Sunday. Ooh, I don't know how everyone's going to fare out. We're just pray and hope that everyone is going to be okay through the storm. Things in life are going to happen. These are just nature. It's part of just how it is. Got earthquakes happening over in Brazil, or it could be Brazil, I'm not too sure, but out in one of those countries. I don't watch the news a lot, so that tells you how much I know about what's happening, but I do see that there are things happening around the world that is beyond our control, and that's what it is, nature. We just have to live every day and make the best of it. Make the best of every day we have in this beautiful planet called Earth, of course. I'm here in New Zealand. Look, I just want to take a look out there to One Tree Hill. It used to be One Tree Hill. The tree was chopped down. You can see just the sky tower, just the tip of that part up there. But yeah, look, I just want to say today is a beautiful day, and I don't want to waste it going somewhere and being indoors. I'm just coming out here to appreciate this beautiful day, as I was saying. So after this, I'll just run up to Dad's and have a visit with him. But hey guys, I just want to share with you about investing. Change the subject about how beautiful our country is and how beautiful the investing system right now with cryptocurrency. So if you just click onto some of my YouTubes and watch it, Litecoin, Dogecoin, all those that I have made videos on, guys, I really do encourage you to put some money towards it and invest, and you'll see how amazing it is. Yeah, so can't really see much of my video right now because it's a bit blurry, but I just hope you guys know how important it is to invest right now. The cryptocurrency is doing so well, and I just encourage you to just, if you have any money to invest, why not put it towards some cryptocurrencies right now. So click onto my YouTube. I have quite a few I have done, so just go onto it and click it on and just watch it and see how it works. So this video is just to encourage you all how to, just go and invest a bit of money, and you'll see how the profits. Watch it first. Watch the video first before you invest, of course, so you can understand what it's all about. But if I can do it, someone like me who's not really into cryptocurrencies and seeing the benefits of it, and I'm sure that you can do the same as well. So that's all I can share with you right now, is encourage you while it's it's doing so well. And also, if you like to, I'm sure I've done a bit of on my hello. Oh, I've got some friends who are joining me. Okay, down, yeah. And so yeah, I just encourage you to just join and see that how well it's doing. So thank you for joining me on this video. It's been a wonderful pleasure again. I have also some shares with ComSec, with an Australian based bank, which is Commonwealth Bank. So it's another one I'm investing in. But it's really important, I think, to invest. If you're working and your money is just going on to your everyday living and nothing is going